Video, I will be covering topic 3 of Edexcel Math Cambridge IGCSE. It is a foundation topic, really easy to understand, and it's just the basics of math, okay? So, starting with order of operation. For order of operation, we use this mnemonic known as BIDMAS. Okay, we always start with the brackets, then indices, then division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, okay? For example, 60 minus 5 is times 3 to the power of 2 plus 4.2, okay? Sorry, 4 times 2. So start with brackets, 4 times 2, 8, then indices, 3 to the power of 2, 9, then division. As you can see, there is no division, so go to multiplication. Negative 5 times 9, negative 45. Then addition, negative 45 plus 8, negative 37. And then subtraction, 60 minus 37, 23. As easy as that, alright? Some keywords that we're using in BIDMAS in word problems: if they ask for the total, it means addition. If they ask for a difference, it means subtraction. If they ask for doubles, it means multiplication. And if they ask for ratios or equals or sharings, then it is division, okay? Finding a fraction of a quantity. So let's say you need to find 3 over 4th of $196. Of means multiply, so 3 over 4th times 196 is equal to $147. So anything of x is equal to that thing multiplied by x, because of means multiply, okay? Adding and subtracting fractions, the rule is very simple. For addition and subtraction of fractions, just make the denominator the same and then perform the operation on the numerator, keeping the denominator the same, okay? Always write the answer in the simplest form. So 2 over 5 plus 3 over 7. The denominator is not the same, so multiply by 7, multiply by 5, make the denominator the same. 5 times 7, 35. 7 times 5, 35. Also multiply the numerator. 2 times 7, 14. 3 times 5, 15. Keep the denominator the same, keep the operations on the numerator side. 14 plus 15, 29. 29 over 35 is your answer. Subtraction, again, multiply. So actually we don't have to multiply both fractions. This one we could just multiply 2, 6. 3 times 2, 6. 2 times 2, 4. Denominator is the same. 5 minus 4, 1 over 6. 1 over 6 in simplest form is 6. And as easy as that, okay? Mixed number structure. So a mixed number structure is a fraction with a whole number on the outside and a numerator and denominator. To convert a mixed number to a fraction or to a top-heavy fraction, multiply the denominator to the mixed number and add that to the numerator. That is going to be your mixed fraction. Adding and subtracting mixed numbers is very easy. So the first step is convert the mixed number into a top-heavy fraction. Denominator to whole number times numerator. Denominator to whole number times numerator. Now make the denominator the same, 12 and 12. Perform the operation on the numerator, keeping the denominator the same. Multiplying fractions. Multiplying fractions, as the formula says, a over b times c over d is ac over bd. Numerator times the numerator, denominator times the denominator. It is not required for the denominator to be the same. So 2 over 5 times 3 over 4, 2 times 3, 6, 5 times 4, 20, 6 over 20. In simplest form, this is 3 over 10, okay? So multiplying fractions is probably the easiest one, just numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Dividing fractions, we use the rule KCF, okay? Or you can use cross multiplication. So KCF means keep the first fraction, change the sign, and flip the last fraction. Take the reciprocal of the last fraction. For example, this is a mixed number fraction. Let's convert both to a top-heavy fraction. 6 times 2 plus 5, 2 times 1 plus 1, 17 over 6, and 3 over 2. Now division, keep the first fraction, change the sign, K, C, and F. Take the reciprocal, flip the fraction. 17 over 6 times 2 over 3 and multiply that as your answer, or from here you can just use cross multiplication, okay? I want you to solve this one by yourself. You can pause the video here and solve this question by yourself and then continue the video. Basically that was it for topic 3, and anything that you need to know for topic 4 is basically directed numbers. Directed numbers meaning positive and negative numbers. A number line on the left hand side, you're going to find your negative numbers. On the right hand side, you're going to find your positive numbers. Numbers after 0 are positive, numbers before 0 are negative, okay? If there's a positive x, if x is increasing, it is a profit. And if it's a negative x, if x is decreasing or the variable of number is decreasing, that it is a loss, okay? The signs of comparison that we use are also known as inequality signs. is greater than moving to the right hand side, less than going to the left hand side, greater than or equal to moving to the right hand side with an equal sign, less than or equal to moving to the left hand side with an equal sign. Here are some rules for adding and subtracting directed numbers, as well as multiplying and dividing directed numbers. So if the integer sign is plus and plus, the operation is going to be addition. Your answer sign is going to be positive. If it's negative and negative, the operation you will perform is addition, and the answer sign will be negative. If the integer sign is positive and negative, or negative and positive, the operation sign will be subtraction, and the answer sign will be the sign of the largest integer, okay? So for example, 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 3. You subtract and take the sign of the largest integer, which is 5. Multiplying and dividing, okay? The rule is very simple. If the integer signs are the same, it's going to be positive. So positive, positive is positive, negative, negative, and negative. If the integer signs are different, so positive or negative or positive, the answer will be negative. And that is it for topic 3 in Edexcel Math Cambridge IGCSE. Like I said, it was a foundation topic, very easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.